friends. Welcome to the WizBiz Talks of Rotary District 3141. Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of the affairs, wherein many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference in the community and also make Rotary seen. WizBiz Talks is a unique and hot from oven initiative. It is an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. In WizBiz Talks, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more to make a difference in the community. I am your host, Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon, and also the Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021. Friends, our guest for the day is a Rotarian with more than 2 decades of Rotary experience. A Rotarian from one of the largest clubs of Rotary District 3141. Yes, sir. He is from Rotary Club of Borivali. And the person is no other than Rotarian Vinay Vyas. Friends, he's into law practice, corporate litigations. He loves reading, trekking, traveling, has visited 31 countries in the world and Kailash Mansarovar twice. He was the centennial president. That means he was the president when Rotary was in its 100th year of inception. Friends, but a very close friend of mine, and if you see for my feelings, he's very affable, agreeable, amiable, likable, understanding, impartial, observant, very quick-witted, dynamic, proactive, practical, organized, and one of the most efficient Rotarian I have seen in Rotary since the time I have joined Rotary. So friends, with this short introduction, I would like to present before you a very close and dear friend, Rotarian Vinay Vyas.
Hello friends.
Hi Vinay, it's been a pleasure to have you with us on this talk show. And truly speaking, you have blessed us by your presence over here. You know, you are one person whom I respect so much. You are one person who has always got a different approach towards things. And you are one person whom many people like to emulate when they want to do something perfect in Rotary. So you coming here is itself a big thing for me and for the viewers on this WizBiz show. Thank you so much for your presence here.
Thank you, Manish. I am your equal admirer too.
Thank you. It's mutual. So Vinay, I have worked with you since such a long time, and we have been at various district positions together, and we have worked and served the community together. But there are certain people who have not known you so much. I would like you to tell something about yourself as a person and your family life to the entire audience.
Friends, I'm purely a Mumbaikar, born and brought up in Mumbai, and educated in Mumbai. I completed my law and have been practicing law in Mumbai High Court and other courts across India for past about 30 years now. And I was invited to join Rotary in the year 1999 by one of my advocate colleague, Advocate Bharat Joshi. And since then, I am part of Rotary Club of Borivali. My wife is from Pune. She was a lecturer in economics. We are both blessed with a son, Ayush, who is currently pursuing his class 10.
Vinay, you would be knowing that you and I, our children are together in 10th grade, and they have met quite a few times on the district picnics that you have brought your child and I have brought my child. It's so nice to know so much about you, Vinay. In our life, we all Rotarians are bound to each other either through friendship or through Rotary work. Do you know what is the concept of this WizBiz Talks? The concept of the WizBiz Talks is that we want Rotarians to bond to be each other even through work. We want Rotary to be a small knit family where everyone grows together. We want Rotarians to bind with each other professionally also. And that is the purpose of one of the purposes of I would like you to speak something about your profession.
Well, Manish, as I said, I am mainly into corporate litigations. Therefore, I am in court from 11 to 5 on my legs, either arguing a matter or conducting cross-examination, not just sitting in chamber. And I deal with most common litigations pertaining to money recovery, pertaining to property, pertaining to society, pertaining to consumer forum matters, uh, and all like which are usual course with any commercial organizations or any company matters and all for that matters. Sometime arbitration and all. And uh, like you can tell me in your terms, I'm a general physician. So, so if you have any ailment, I would have some remedy for it.
Fantastic. But you are specializing into corporate litigations, but yes, you attend everything.
Yes. Litigations is my forte, so I'm in court and I'm mainly into litigations, but I do documentations pertaining to property, drafting any contractual agreements, MOUs, and all kind of work.
Fantastic. Friends, this was what Vinay Vyas had spoken about himself. But friends, as much as I know of Rotarian Vinay Vyas, he's one of the most ethical guys that I've ever seen. He's one of the most dignified people that I have ever seen. And he's one of the most transparent people that I have ever seen. And I'm sure many of you who are listening to this talk show will like to get associated with him even on professional basis, because he's the one person whom I would trust for any of my issues. And I'm sure he, being a Rotarian, would present himself in the similar manner as any Rotarian does who follows the four-way test. So Vinay, this has been great speaking to you. But Vinay, there is one more thing that I would like to tell you. Today, you are not just going to be heard by me because I'm taking your interview. You are also going to be heard by all the incoming presidents, all the Rotarians of District 3141, all Rotarians who might not be from District 3141. And there would be too many Rotarians or too many non-Rotarians who would be listening to you today. So your responsibility becomes very high. Your responsibility becomes such that you are supposed to be a motivator for Rotarians to ensure that they work extremely well in this year to come. So you have to give us 2 lines as a message for Rotarians for Vision Year 2021. You also have to be such a motivator that non-Rotarians start approaching Rotary that yes, we want to be a part of this organization. And thirdly, after these two, you have to tell us about your position in year 2021. You know, you're a district project director for one of the rarest of rare avenues, which is very close to your heart, my heart, and most importantly, the heart of District Governor Sunil Mehra. So, you know that you have been given a position of utmost responsibility. So, I want you to answer all 3 questions one by one. It's all yours, Vinay.
Okay, I'll answer the current responsibilities first, Manish. I'm really thankful to DG Sunil for giving me this important portfolio, which is really very close to my heart. And I see equal passion in him of really doing something in this coming year. And this aspect has been missing, though it has been one of the goal which Rotary International has set for itself way back in the year July 2010. So my portfolio includes Rotary Leadership Institute, strategic planning, and club leadership plan. And one of the goal which Rotary International had for its vision in way back in 2010 was to ensure that each club implements strategic planning. I'm happy at least after 10 years, our district has initiated this implementation of the strategic planning. And it will be my endeavor in the coming year to ensure that at least 50 to 60% of the club implement the strategic planning. And through this platform, I would request and urge each and every president-elect to ensure that they implement the strategic planning in their club. If they require any help or assistance, I am always available. We have zonal team which will always be available to help them out. Now, so far as the message which I feel to the clubs are concerned in the current time is that what we all are facing is that the world has been changing very fast at an unprecedented rate. And it is essential that we adapt ourselves to the changing world. And if we do not do that, somebody else will replace us. So it is very essential for us and every club to adopt some innovative measures in the club which will make Rotary attractive and interesting for all those who are looking for a platform to serve the community. We are seeing several volunteers across in this difficult time who are serving the community at their own level, individual level, or within their certain groups. But we, when it comes to a larger level, uh, they are helpless. That is where the Rotary can provide them the platform. We have no restrictions on the funding. We have our club funds. We have resources from various members. We have more than 6,000 members in our district. We have 1.2 million Rotarian across the world. We have foundation to support us for any project, even up to 2 to 3 million US dollar whenever needed. We have grants, district grants and global grants. So there is no dearth of money when it comes to serving the community for any worthy project. So we must provide that kind of platform which any individual or a business person looking for to serve the community. We are ethical. We need to show to the world that we work in an ethical way. We need to promote our values, that is service, fellowship, diversity, integrity, and leadership, which are our core values, which we have been holding for past more than 100 years. And we believe in it very strongly. So we must promote our values. The kind of platform that we provide, no other NGO provide. We have a package which is for all. We have package to involve and give leadership abilities not only to the person joining Rotary, but also to the spouses when they join Inner Wheel, and when they take leadership position, they'll learn how to lead a club in a professional way. We have platforms like Rotaract, Interact for our young generations. And we believe in fellowship. It is not just a service as an organization. And so I tell you, it's a package, which no other organization is providing. And we must understand what is with us so that we can market it well. It is the time that we need to tell the world what we are in a suitable way and to take advantage thereof. Then only we can make the Rotary as a club, as an organization, interesting and attractive for anyone who is looking for a platform to join the Rotary.
Fantastic. Well said, Vinay. Every word that has come out from your mouth, I think so. It's full of wisdom, and whatever you have said will definitely go down to every Rotarian to ensure that not only is the membership retained, but we get new members, and every member would be enthused to ensure that they give their best to Rotary year 2021 and thereafter. Because as we know that in Rotary there is not this year and that year, it is Rotary, and every year is a Rotary year. So this has been great. And Vinay, you have been handed over the responsibilities of Rotary Visionaries, and you are the district project director for Rotary Visionaries. You've got a very strong team, and your responsibility is to create new leaders, make them more confident, ensure that they have that confidence in themselves to present themselves as leaders also. And I'm sure you'll do the RLM model with Rotary Visionaries in a very effective manner. I feel though we don't have the physical model right now, but if you could also think of starting the virtual model where we could have people who enroll for Rotary Visionaries and they get those certifications after they've gone through the particular training, it is definitely worthwhile. So I really hope that things start moving, because yes, COVID is a challenge, but we are Rotarians and we have to see an opportunity in every challenge that comes up to us. Hope the same happens for every unit and every avenue in this year 2021. Thank you, Vinay, so much for your presence here. You were as inspiring and as motivating as you are known for, and we were really blessed by your presence. Thank you so much for taking our time. It has been a thorough pleasure for me to host you on this show. I hope you also liked it, but I have loved it thoroughly.
Thank you, Manish. It was same feeling here. And I want to promise you that we will take advantage of this lockdown period and offer our first Rotary Leadership Institute on a virtual basis, not personal. And that is underway. The planning is underway. Most probably this will be there in the month of June itself. And we are planning to have at least another two in the coming time. So let's see how the situation unfolds for ourselves. If not virtual, then practical.
Fantastic. And if anything required from my end, please, I'm just a phone call away, and we'll ensure that anything and everything required is done for you to ensure that this becomes one of the most smoothest of programs. Thank you so much, Vinay.
Thank you so much.